Hey guys, quick video here. On an Aircoin. It's rather common, but you can still get between what I've seen is like $8 to $12. What I've seen on eBay for this coin, because it's kind of a common error. It's 85. It's called a railroad track or train track. It's basically a very well defined grooves on the rim and a extra kind of thick rim. If you guys can see that, it's just a little thicker right there in that spot. You can see it from the front. See? Aha! I think you can see that. See? And that disappears. You can really see it right there if the camera will focus. Come on. Yes. Anyway, there we go. Just wanted you guys to get that. It's a 1985 P railroad or train track or whatever it's called. Railroad tracks.